just happened? What the XRPL community has been talking about is now a reality. Right now, token distribution is taking place and thousands of holders have already confirmed their participation. What is it and how can you get access? Let me show you. 482,000 wallets have already been verified, 14 million tokens have been distributed, and you still have 12 days left. But there's one important detail: only active personal wallets are eligible. Exchange addresses do not qualify. Check your wallet right now. It takes less than 30 seconds. Watch this. I copy the address, paste it, click check eligibility. And there it is, the result, approved, 1,250 units of value. That's more than 500 XRP. No private keys, no signatures, just a public verification directly on the ledger. And now for the interesting part, I connect the wallet for confirmation. Gem wallet, share. Now watch the balance on the right side of the screen. It was under 10 XRP. Transaction confirmed, and now the balance shows 528 XRP. 3 seconds, directly on-chain, no middlemen. These aren't promises. This is a recorded transaction on a public ledger. Take a look at the live distribution feed. New confirmations are appearing every second. 128,000 transactions have already been processed. James received 1,840 XRP. Sarah confirms there were no requests for seed phrases. Daniel verified everything through a node, completely clean. The community is confirming participation on a massive scale. The window closes in 12 days. 73% has already been distributed. All audits have been completed. CertiK, Halburn, and Trail of Bits, transparent and secure. Don't miss the chance to check your address. Visit right now. Leave a like if you found this useful so more XRPL participants can learn about it. Subscribe, share it with the community, and spread the word. Time is running out.